In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from Google Analytics to PDF or Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and which options to choose so you can quickly share clean, reliable data with your team or clients. Start by opening your Google Analytics account in your browser. Make sure you're looking at the right property for the site or app you want to report on. It also helps to confirm your date range in the top right corner before you export, so the file reflects the exact period you care about. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Reports. This takes you to Google Analytics' curated reporting area, where common use cases are grouped for convenience. From here, find the section labeled Generate Leads. This collection brings together reports that help you understand how visitors arrive and convert, which makes it a great place to pull assets for stakeholders focused on acquisition and sign-ups. Inside Generate Leads, choose the report you want to export. Here, we'll select Landing Page. This report shows which pages people see first when they arrive, along with helpful metrics like users, sessions, engagement, and conversions. Take a moment to scan the table and the chart, and if needed, apply filters or comparisons at the top, so your export contains exactly what you want to share. Any filters or secondary dimensions you apply here will be reflected in the file you download. When you're ready, move to the top right of the report and click the Export or Share icon. This opens your export options. Choose PDF if you want a polished, presentation-ready snapshot that preserves the layout and visuals. Choose CSV if you plan to analyze or reformat the data. CSV files open directly in Excel, making it easy to sort, pivot, or combine with other datasets. If your team prefers live collaboration, select Export to Google Sheets to send the data straight to a new sheet, where you can add notes, build charts, or share access. After you pick your format, Google Analytics will prepare the file. Save it with a clear name that includes the report type and date range, like Landing Page Report March 2026, so it's easy to find later. Before you send it on, open the file and confirm that the metrics, dates, and any filters look correct. That's it. Open your account, click Reports, head to Generate Leads, select Landing Page, and export as PDF, CSV for Excel, or Google Sheets. Follow this same flow for any other report in the library, and you'll always have clean exports ready to share.